Welcome to our Home.The channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is 3PS black pendant lighting for kitchen island farmhouse hanging pendant light fixtures modern industria metal kitchen light fixtures ceiling for oversinked dining room. Let's start to introduce product related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website home.The. 1. The joints are perfectly treated to prevent light leakage. 2. No noise. 3. High quality material and smooth surface without scratches. 4. Detailed installation instructions. 5. Safe and clean packaging. 6. Universal mounting plate used. 7. Installation height adjusted freely to match different site with enhanced comfort level. 8. Middle PVC wire bearing quadruple product weight gives you safer use. 9. Standard E26 thread matches a wider variety of bulb products. 10. Dimmable bulbs of different power and dimming wall switches enable brightness adjustment and multi-area lighting. 11. Hard wiring with ground wire ensures effective grounding. 12. Durable advanced two-color patchwork high-temperature paint in black and gold highlights simplicity and nobleness. 13. Circular flanging hides metal edge and eliminates metal burr to escort your safety. Disadvantages of other sellers. 1. The large gap at the connection of PC soft rubber strip causes light leakage to see the lamp beads. 2. Make a buzzing sound. 3. Insensitive control. 4. Styrofoam fragments everywhere. 5. Too simple installation instructions. Product info. 1. Bulb specification, 1 E26 with 60 W max, bulb excluded. 2. Bulb size, MMD 300x 2000. 3. Matte black. 4. Hardware material. 5. Light size, 29.5 *29.5 17.5 cm, display weight, 3 pounds. The video are introducing parts of highlights features of the product. If you want detailed info, please reach our website. About Home.The. Shop from a great collection of indoor lighting and outdoor light, commercial lighting, at http://www.home.The.com. Our store offers ceiling light floor lamp pendant lights and chandelier table lamp wall light night lamp, down lights LED bulb office light panel light track light UV light flood light garden light LED strip light solar light street light wall washer light, and more. Home.The is a professional store for light and home improving and decoration light products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, Home.The can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via doloresjmoniz12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.